This is activity 2 in your book. In bowl 1 or container 1 we have sugar and yeast. I'm going to add warm water to that. We have sugar and yeast in 2. I'm going to add cold water. 3, we're going to add boiling water. And number 4 is warm water, no sugar. And the 5th one is sugar, no water. Now all the water's been added. In the first one we have sugar and warm water and yeast. Number 2 has got sugar and cold water and yeast. Number 3 has sugar and boiling water and yeast. Number 4 has warm water and yeast, no sugar. And the last one, 5, has no water, just yeast and sugar. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take it and put it in our warming cupboard. We set that at 34 degrees, which is more or less the ideal temperature for bacterial growth, which is body temperature. I'm just going to bung it in here. 34 degrees centigrade, and we'll come back in 20 minutes. So we'll come back at nearly past. Put this on, there you go. Now 20 minutes have lapsed, a wee bit longer than that. Let's see how our experiments are. Right, there's the obvious one there. If you look at number 1, that was the sugar and warm water. Now we know bacteria grows best at an optimum temperature, which is roughly about body temperature, between 30-34 degrees. Number 2, there's a wee bit movement there, but that was cold water, so it's a slow starter. Number 3 is the sugar and boiling water. Well, what's happened there is the boiling water has actually killed the yeast. So if it's too hot, it'll kill the yeast. Number 4, warm water and yeast, no sugar, so nothing for the bacteria to feed on. So that's a bit flat, that one. And sugar and yeast with no water. Well, bacteria needs moisture source, so hence no growth there. Cool. Ta-da!